Welcome back. In the last session we have computed the number of parameters. And now we are going to show how to train a stateful LSTM network. Here you see a loop which is going to the number of epochs. We have defined the number of epochs as 120. And within this loop we are calling fit method of the regressor. So for short reminder, we have defined the regressor. This is the model actually. Then we have compiled this model. And this model class has a method fit. We pass as arguments the train set x train. These are the input values. Y train, these are the output values. And then we have to say shuffle false. Why? This is why, because we are dealing with sequences, and if we would shuffle, we would break the whole order of measurements, so it will not shuffle. Now we have to define the number of epochs, and here we train. We have to set the epochs equals 1, because we will call this fit method for all 120 epochs. And then we have to say batch size equal batch size. Batch size is in our case 64. And then also very important, we say reset states. So if the training is finished for an epoch, we need to reset all states, which are hidden state and cell state. If we would not do this, we would take the states to the next epoch, but we don't want this. We want to start a new epoch freshly. We want to initialize the states with zeroth. I will not call this method because I have already trained the model, and it would take some minutes, but we don't need this. I have stored the model on the system here, and I can see where it's stored. I can call exclamation mark, and then I immediately have access to underline bash. And if I call this, I see, okay, I have folder called models, and in this folder I have two models. One where I have used mean absolute error as a loss function, and another one with the mean squared error. So we will, in the later sessions, we will see what is the difference in the prediction accuracy between those two. And Keras provides a method load model. With this method I can load stored model, which I will do now. It will take some seconds. And we see the model is loaded now. So stay tuned. See you next time. Enjoy. Bye bye.